We just released a new book called Beginning Japanese 30-Day Chousen. Do you have 15 minutes a day to improve your kanji, vocabulary, listening, speaking, and understanding of Japanese sentence structure? Yes, this book will help with all that. It challenges beginners to upper beginners to spend 15 minutes a day learning something new. Each lesson focuses on one main vocabulary word. Learn a fun phrase, proverb, or idiom, and then take a deep dive with that word's kanji. Lastly, spend some time with an example sentence. Every word is defined, and important grammatical patterns are explained. As with all our digital products, the book includes a PDF, ePub, and Kindle Mobi file as well as 120 sound files. The sound files are for each day's saying, kanji examples, and the example sentence, read slowly, and one read at normal speed. This book is a part of our Japanese Vocabulary Booster Bundle. Save big by buying the 6-book bundle. You'll find the link in the description. The bundle covers Japanese proverbs, idioms, famous sayings, sound words, and now it includes the new 30-day challenge book. Instant download and instant gratification. We hope you enjoy this new book. If you have any questions or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.
それじゃあまたね。